and this is how it's going to look in the end. Hello and welcome. Today we are going to see another beautiful geometrical mandala. Firstly, we'll start with finding the center of the sheet. We'll do that by dividing it into 4 equal parts. Then I'm going to draw a 2 centimeter circle, add inner lining to it. For the next step, we'll mark 45 degrees on all the 4 sides, 45 degrees. Then join the lines of 45 degrees. These are the 4 points which I'm marking. It will form the center. Measure the length of the 2 points. Then draw an arc. So measure the length of 2 points and mark an arc. Do this from all the 4 points. You will get petals. Then we'll add outer lining to this. Increase the length from the same 4 points once again. So we are going to repeat this for another 3 to 4 times. We just need petals layer by layer. Increase the length, add the arc. Increase the length, add the arc. The center points where the compass is placed will remain the same. Okay, so this is the fourth arc which we are drawing. The centers will remain the same, just go on adding the arcs. Increase the length, decrease the length. See, I'm decreasing the length to form the inner lining this time. So you'll have to go ahead and repeat the exact same thing for 5 different times. Then I'm going to mark 7, 6, 5 centimeters. We'll cut the arc of 5 centimeters first, then 6 centimeters, then 7 centimeters, just to join them. Okay, so this is the 5 centimeter square, the 6 centimeter square, it forms a square, and the 7 centimeter square. So you'll have to join. So you'll have to join the markings 7, 6, and 5. For the next step, we'll add spirals on both the sides and darken up the space. Extend the spiral inside, then just fill it up with pattern something like this. And for the layer on the top, we'll add circles, darken up the space around the circles. Then we'll add lotus here, expanding lotus. Start from the center and expand it till the end. Do the exact same thing on the other side. Darken up the space around it. Next, I'll add another square on the inside. Just darken it up. Fill up the remaining space with lines. Here, I'll add a shape something like this in the corner. Adding semicircle and darkening up the space, and along the sides we'll add spirals. For the center, I'll darken up the reference lines first, inner lining, then filling up the remaining space with another inner lining and just darkening it up. So you have to do the exact same thing on all the 4 sides, and this is how it's going to look in the end. If you liked my video today, please do like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.